And here I come. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc, and today we will be talking about Dreamstime. Dreamstime.com or Dreamstime is one of those agencies where you can sell your photos online and start making money. Yes, it is a stock photography website just like Shutterstock, iStock, Adobe Stock and others. Now Dreamstime is very famous and arguably it is one of the top 10 stock photography industries where as a beginner one should sign up and start contributing. Now I must tell you, anytime during the video you may pause it and you will find the referral link of Dreamstime in the video description. For those who have been following this channel and for those who are new here, you should know that I am building one of the most detailed guides on how to sell your images online. So if you are interested in selling your images online and start making money, please do consider subscribing. Now you must have heard about Dreamstime quite a number of times from me. You have heard it in my stock photography earning update videos as well as in the top 10 apps for stock photography. You know, there are a variety of reviews regarding Dreamstime in various websites, but in this video I will give you my personal opinion and my personal review, and believe it or not, I have got 9 sales on Dreamstime in a single day, and I will show you to you very soon. And I would like to add that the photos that were rejected on other websites, even in Shutterstock, has been approved and have been sold in Dreamstime. Since this is a review as well as guide and tutorial video, let's go to the computer and I will show you how to upload in Dreamstime. Hey guys, we are now at the desktop interface of Dreamstime.com, and this is the interface that you will be getting after you have logged in using my referral link. Right now, here are all the recent images that have been sold in my account, and if I go into total sales, you can see all the images with the descriptions that have been listed here. Right, you can scroll down. Now let's go back. Now first of all, I'll tell you this is my total number of sales, that is just above $37 US, and this is their upload interface. Well, you can simply click upload. Once you get your contributor account registered, this is the upload page where you will be directed. You can upload a single file just by clicking here or by dragging and dropping over here, and you can also upload in a batch a lot of files together with using the FTP or the file transfer protocol. So these are the FTP instructions I have opened for you in the next page. These are actually very simple. Even anyone can figure this out. You just need to follow the steps. These are very self-explanatory. I have done it. I usually upload using Xpix, and I have already told you in my previous video regarding the keywords, the mastering keywords video, which is over here, how to use Xpix and how to use it as an FTP client. Anyway, today I will show you both. First of all, I will click here and I will select an image which I have kept it for you guys. It is an image of an onion. Okay, I took it from the supermarket, so we clicked it here and let's wait till it is uploaded. The internet speed is actually quite slow over here, so please bear with me. You saw I configured the FTP client settings in my Xpix. Anyway, so let's wait it to load fully. When it is loaded fully, it will we can go to continue to unfinished, and then it will show up in the unfinished. It will take some time to process, and if we refresh it, we will get the actual file which will be ready to upload. Now let us show you in the using the Xpix. You see I have already typed out the keywords and the title and the description using Xpix. I have just mentioned it's a heap of onions for sale in a supermarket, and I will just tick off all the other agencies because I actually use Xpix to upload simultaneously in all the agencies, but today I will be uploading in Dreamstime only. So let us do it. Yes, and it is done. So after it is done, we can see when you go into the page and we refresh, we see the image has appeared in unfinished. There we can upload it now. Now there are options between commercial and editorial. Now if you want to know all about editorial, I have a special video for that, separate video, and for all purpose this is not an editorial image, right? This is a commercial image. So we will click on commercial, and let's see. You see, I already did the keywording, the description and the title thing, so it is already there. Now another option, you see it says Key Masters program. If you use their service for keywording, they are claiming it has a revenue of around 140% hike. So it is actually recommended for those who are having very high sales and who don't have time at all to give keywords. But as a beginner, I think you will have enough time if you're doing it as a part-time job. So I will not recommend you, I will recommend you to tick this off. Personally, I don't use it also. So I'll tick off. I'll simply categorize the image. See, I have already added the keywords, right? So now this is a food, right? Food and vegetable. So I already know, I am well acquainted with the classification over here. It might take you some time. So I will give nature, food ingredient, industries, food and beverage, and the next one I'll do is objects, home related. So these are more or less the three most relevant information that describes this image, right? And then next I will click is submit. As soon as I click submit, my job is done. So this is how you upload one single image. You can do this process over and over again if you have multiple images, and that's it. This is more or less the way. Now if you have an image that has an identifiable model or a property, see, these are the images that have been, I have gone to rejected image list, right? These are the images that have been rejected previously, and the rejection criteria are shown. I don't want to show you this, okay? This is depressing. So let's go back from here. But nevertheless, I just want to show you that road is not smooth, okay? A lot of images of me are rejected. Anyway, we can upload, we can go to this menu, and where you see there's an area called MR library. So this MR library is the area, model release library, where you need to upload model releases separately. See, this is the menu where you need to give the name, first name, last name, gender, photo of the model release. These are few model releases that I have already uploaded previously that I used for various name and property related photographs. So this is it. This is the procedure of how to upload in Dreamstime via web browser and how to upload model release. And just by simply going into the home page, you can get an idea about the best selling images, trending images. You can have idea about what to click and what not. So I wish you good luck, guys. See ya. Now that you know how to upload in Dreamstime using the web browser on your desktop or laptop, let's go to the mobile app and show you how to do it. In your mobile, you need to open the Play Store or App Store and type Dreamstime, and this is the app that will pop. Dreamstime Sell Your Photos. You need to download this app, and I've already downloaded it, so I will click open. As you click open, you can see the earnings, the total sales and the number of sales and the total revenue. You see, these are my sales. These are all the sales I have had in Dreamstime, and you can see the file has already been accepted. I just did 5 minutes back. Dreamstime has a very good acceptance rate nowadays. You can see the photo of the onion is listed absolutely at the top. I just did it now, right? You can use this app directly to upload. You see, when I click upload, you can go into your phone gallery or any picture that you intend to upload. You can select that image, and you can do the similar things. If you have the keywords and the title, everything set already, you can just click the image and set upload. I don't have keywords selected from here, so I will actually not upload this. I will just show you. I will simply show you the categorization. You can select the first category. Of course, this will be nature. There will be a drop down list from where you can select. See, nature is down, right? Right, nature. And in nature, of course, it will be mountains, right? So this is nature, mountains. So you can save the category, then you can add the keyword, title and the description, and then you can click upload. Of course, this image is not finished. There are many artifacts. You can even add model release from the app. You see, these are the model releases that I have uploaded previously. It's not needed in this landscape photo. There is no need of a model release, but I'm just showing you it can be done, right? So this is how you need to use the app. The app will appear in the pending. Of course I will cancel it now, because of course surely this will get rejected, so I'll click cancel from here. But you get the point. This is the app which makes everything available at your palm, and you can upload similarly from here as you did in the web browser. See ya. So guys, what are you waiting for? Check the video description to find the referral link to sign up your account for Dreamstime. Do sign up and start contributing, and your photos will start selling in no time. No matter what they tell you, I can guarantee you from my personal experience that Dreamstime is active and selling even today. I have a lot of hopes from Dreamstime, and I will certainly feature its earning in my future earning update video as well. Hit the thumbs up if you have liked this video, and subscribe if you are interested in selling your images online, and hit the bell icon if you want to get notified to my every future uploads. Let me know in the comments what are your reviews on Dreamstime and whether you are interested in selling your images online in Dreamstime or not. Feel free to contact me on social media regarding any queries about Dreamstime or any other stock photography agency or any photography tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I am Dr. Arindam and you are watching The Teaching Doc, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.